Okay guys, good afternoon. My name is Eric and welcome to another episode of Parrot English. And today I'm going to talk about the Kernel of the Bible, chapter 5. And the chapter 5 is related how to is Christ, how the short portion of the harvest. God concerned for man's eating. For the sake of his economy, God is very concerned about man's eating. Immediately after God created man, he did not give him a list of things to do and not to do. Instead, he placed him in front of the tree of life and charged him concerning his eating, saying, Of every tree of the garden thou mayest freely eat, but of the tree of the knowledge of good and evil thou shalt not eat of it. God did not command man to love his wife or to worship and serve God. Rather, he strongly charged him to be careful about his eating. God seemed to say, if your eating is proper, everything will be alright. But if you eat improperly, you will die. Eating is a matter of life and death. If man eats properly, he will have the life he needs. Enjoying Christ as the lamb, the manna, and the lamb. Do you want to worship God? Then you must eat Jesus. Do you want to accomplish God's purpose to build up his temple? Then you must eat Jesus. Do you want to defeat God's enemy and bring to peace to God's people? Then you must eat Jesus. If you want to bring in the kingdom of God, we need to eat the Lord. In the last stage of eating, the eating in the good lands, all the enemies are defeated. The ground is gained, God's temple is built, and the top 10th being for the worship of God. Okay guys, this was all for today. If you want to continue watching more videos about me, you only have to subscribe for more videos every Thursday, because now I will upload a new video every Thursdays. See you next Thursdays. This was Parrot English.
Bye bye, my friend. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Say goodbye, my friend.
Bye bye.
Say bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.